In this class, Niranjan Sir will teach you 30 questions more, and he will discuss the concept behind each question, and if you listen to the analysis heart and soul, you will never ever commit mistakes in the examinations, that guarantee I will give you.
Dear students, today I have come with 30 questions, and these 30 questions I think will give you some new ideas, some new formulas, some new information. And today we'll discuss the concept behind the concept, the reason behind the concept, the cause behind the concept, why we are writing this type of sentence. Okay, let us start. Question number 1. In question number 1, what we see? In question number 1, we see if the economy fails this year, it reflects badly on the government. It reflects badly on the government. Look at the sentence, students. This question comes under conditional sentence. Okay? In a conditional sentence, we follow 4 rules. And look at here. It will be 1, it will be 2, that will be 3. And type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3. Already you must have read these things. Today, I have written these rules again. Look at the sentence. The sentence said if the economy fails this year, it reflects badly on the government. Look at this. This is the if clause. If the economy fails this year, this is the if clause. And this is the main clause. According to the if clause, question number, type number 1, if plus subject plus V1. If plus subject plus V1. But if this part is right one, come to the next part means main clause. The main clause will be subject plus shall will plus V1. Let us see whether it is subject plus shall V1, subject is it, but there is no will. It will be, what it will be? It will reflect badly on the government. Okay? It will reflect badly on the government. Dear student, that means the option number 1, this year it reflects badly, this is the mistake one, and this one should be developed. Okay, that will be, it will reflect badly on the government. Come to question number 2. Question number 2 says, what it says? No one were present when I entered the hall. Look at the sentence. So many times I have told you, when the subject of the sentence is no one, means each, every, either of, neither of the verb is always singular. Always singular means that will be es wala verb. It will be es wala verb, and this verb is not es wala verb. This is plural. We have to write here was. This part is the mistake one. Option A is the mistake one. We have to improve it. Okay. Come to the question number 3. Question number 3 says, my older brother, which you will meet later, is a dentist. Some of might be thinking which you will meet later. No, this is not the wrong one. You look at the word my older brother, and my older brother says, look at, older is a word not used in the family. Older is a word, it is used beyond the family. Means where you are working in a profession, in a class, somebody is a higher senior, somebody is junior. In that case, we use older. But when we are talking about the relation, we are blood relation, we are talking about the family members, we never use older. We use, what we use? We use elder. When we are thinking of elder, we have to think of older. My dear students, this should be my elder brother is the perfect one. Okay. Question number 4. He was late for school and punished. He was late for school and punished. Dear students, this sentence contains 2 clauses. Clause number 1, he was late for school. And clause number 2, he was punished. And somebody might be thinking it will be for the school. No, dear student. He was a student of that school. And for the primary purpose, we never use article before school, college, hospital, bed. we never use. From that point of view, for school is correct. But when we are joining two clauses, he was late for school and he was punished, and we are using conjunction and. But and is when used now when two clauses are giving the additional information. But here, the second clause is not addition of the first one. Second one is the cause of the first one. And for that sense, we don't use and. We never use and. We use so. Ate, he was late for school, so punished. So punished. Ate, what is the mistake? And punished. This one is mistake. Okay. Question number 5. It was surprising to receive the gifts from my mother. It was surprising to receive the gifts from my mother. See the sentence again and again. You might find the mistake where it is. Look at the sentence. It was a surprising. I think when you are hearing this type of sentence, it was a surprising. It is wrong, my dear student, because here was is the linking verb, and when linking verb is there, it is generally followed by a complement, and that complement is an adjective. So before adjective we don't use article. So this is the mistake one. It would be, it was surprising to receive the gifts from my brother. Okay. And what is the mistake? To receive, it was surprising. Option 2 is the mistake one. Okay. Question number 6. The fisheries sector have grown significantly in the last 1 year. In the last 1 year. Okay. The fisheries sector have grown significantly. Look at the subject. The fisheries sector. And the sector is a singular noun. And for the singular noun, we don't use have. We use it is has. The fisheries sector has grown significantly in the last 1 year. Then what is the mistake? Have grown, option 1 is the mistake. It should be improved. Question number 7. My house is more spacious than my sister. Look at the sentence. My house is more spacious than my sister's what? My sister's property, my sister's house, my sister's car. Where is the comparison? Now there is no comparison. My house is more spacious than my sister. There is no comparison. Or the sentence would be perhaps, my house is more spacious than the house of my sister. You can write that. My house is more spacious than that of my sister. You can write that. Or you can write, my house is more spacious than my sister's. My sister's means my sister's house. Okay? That is, my house is a mistake one. That would be rectified. Either you shall write then that of my sister, or then my sister's you can write. Okay. Question number 8. The question is quite too simple for me to answer. Look at it, a peculiar question, dear student. The question is quite too simple. Quite is there, too is there. And these two words never used together. Either it is quite difficult or it is too difficult. We don't use quite and too together. Or which one should we retain and which one should we reduce or delete? That means the question is too means negative sense. Okay? The question is quite simple for me to answer. That means I am able to answer. It is quite simple. This 2 is a mistake one. Option 2 is the mistake one. That should be improved. Question number 9. There is a very little time. There is a very little time. Dear student, little means it is very little. So how can you say it is very little time? No, this part is mistake one. There is a little time for them to prepare for the show. There is a very option 4 is the mistake one. Question number 10. If he wants further information, send him to me. Look at the sentence. It is condition sentence. If clause there, it is in the right way, and the main clause is also in imperative. Send him to me. But what is the mistake? The mistake is if he wants further information. Look at the word further. Further, do you know what does it mean? It is distance. It is distance. Further means distance. Another word is there, further, dear students. Further means more. That means if he wants more information, send him to me. There is no further, there is no distance meaning is there. It is something wrong. Okay. your elder sister lives in a big city, it would be C. It would be C, does C, because option is does C. Okay. Your elder sister, already I have told you, your sister means elder is a perfect one. And lives in a big city means it is also a perfect one. The mistake might be here. It is question tag, dear student. It is question tag. And question tag means if the sentence is positive, the question tag will be negative, and if the sentence is negative, the question tag will be positive. Look at the sentence. The sentence is a positive one, ate. The question tag will be negative one, and from that point of view, it is wrong. So it would be doesn't see. It would be doesn't see. Auxiliaries lives here. That's auxiliary does, and doesn't is correct. It would be doesn't see. Option 2 is the mistake one. That should be improved. Okay. My friends are gone on a trip to Goa today. Dear student, the sentence is a passive voice when the subject is an active one. So when the subject is an active one, how can you make it a passive voice? Look at the sentence. My friends are gone on a trip to Goa today. Wrong. It cannot be, because go is a transitive verb means, and today they are also a clue. Ate my friends are not gone, are going on a trip to Goa. Ate, what is the mistake? Option 2 is the mistake one. My friends are going on a trip to Goa today. Question number 13. So refused to attend the meeting of association on Sunday. On Saturday and Sunday is correct one. So refused to attend the meeting. Refused follows 2 plus infinitive. That is also correct one. Sunil refused to attend the meeting of association. There is mistake, dear students. That would be of the association. It is a particular association where he doesn't want to attend the meeting. Atep Sunil refused to attend the meeting of the association on Saturday. Question number 14. The hall is badly to need a prepare. What type of sentence it is? The hall is badly to need. This type of sentence I have never seen in my life. Never ever seen in my life. This should be the hall is badly not there. There is a mistake. The hall is in badly need of repair. Okay, it is very necessary. The hall is in badly need of repair. Ate option is the mistake one. Okay, question number 15. Alex picked up the boxes quite easily. Alex picked up the boxes quite easily. That was the right one. Even they were heavy. I think that is the mistake. And look at the word even. Do you know, dear students, even is used with the word or, even and odd numbers. And here, even doesn't have any sense. If even doesn't have any sense, what we should do? Now we should change it into even if or even though. This should be correct one. You can write, Alex picked up the boxes quite easily, even though they were heavy. Even if they were heavy, but you can say even they were heavy, that is wrong. Question 16. Ramesh was bited by a dog. Oh God. When he was a child, Ramesh was bited by a dog. But look at this, there is a mistake often. This mistake is an often. There is no word bited, bite, beat, and bitten. Dear student, which is the mistake? Now, bite is the mistake, it would be beat. Okay, Ramesh was bitten by a duck when he was a child. Okay, question 17. You and I. Okay, that is correct. Why? Now, when two or more pronouns are joined by and, they follow a order. That is second person, third person, and first person order. And from that point of view, the order is correct. And that is also plural. You and I have submitted your work. Why? I am not submitting. I am also submitting. Or it would be our work, dear student. From that point of view, option 2 is the mistake one. 18. They order the whole area to be disinfected on the earliest. They order the whole area. That is also correct. Order is the transitive verb, the whole area. In this area to be disinfected, that is also in passive sense. This to be, it is also correct. On the earliest. Have you ever heard the word on the earliest? No, not at all. There is no word on the earliest. It is written at the earliest. Dear student, it is written at the earliest. Okay. Athe, which part the mistake one? On the option 3, the mistake one that should be developed. I didn't buy neither of the two dresses. Oh, what a sentence it is. There is not and there is neither. Double negatives are not used in a simple sentence, dear students. Any one should be deleted. And which one should we delete? Look at the sentence. I did not buy neither of the two dresses. Athava, I think this one I did not, it should be replaced. Means not should be replaced. If we replace not, what will be? I but, did plus by the but. I bought neither of the two dresses. Neither of the two dresses. That would be the correct one. Okay, dear students. Question number 20. Each member of the team receives a memorabilia after the match is over. Okay. Each member, when a sentence starts from each and every, the verb is singular, and verb is singular, here it is correct. After the launch is over, that word is correct. Perhaps there is a mistake, a memorabilia. And what my information I have, memorabilia is an uncountable word. The word is uncountable. So before the word uncountable, we never use a or a. We never use a very mistake. The word mistake in option 3, the mistake one. Question number 21. Even though we are quite different from each other, we means two and each other is correct. In our food preferences, that is also correct. We both love South Indian delicacies. South India, not South India. The South Indian delicacies, or there is the mistake, dear students. We both love, both is also word used in the proper place. We both love the South Indian delicacies, dear students. It would be question number 22. There was an interesting article in the newspaper about the dangers to an environment. There was an interesting article, that is also correct. In the newspaper, that is also correct. About the dangers to an environment. Is there an environment? No. Environment one, to the environment. It is one and only. So option 1 is the mistake one. Okay. The mother loving looked. What a question. The mother loving looked. Ate her baby, looked at her baby, that is correct. If the nurse brought her in, that also is correct. Or if there is mistake, dear students. The mother loving looked. Just inverse the word. The loving mother looked at her baby. The loving option 1 is the mistake one. It will be the loving mother. These experiments have been going on since several months. Since several months. That is also correct. These experiments have been going on. No, since several months, this is not correct, I think. Several months is a period of time. We cannot use since here. For several months, I think. Okay, these have been going on, that part is not correct. Because when we use since and for in a sentence, that is either present perfect progressive or past perfect progressive. From that point, it is also correct. And since is wrong. Since is wrong. Why? This is a period of time. Okay, which is the several since, option 4 is the mistake one. It will be for several months. Every Saturday your mother prepares a pudding. Every Saturday. Sorry, your mother loves you so much, I think. Your mother, every Saturday means in a habitual action. Your mother prepares is correct. Agency. The verb prepares. So from prepare we will find does is the auxiliary verb. But if this part is the mistake one, doesn't see. Option 1 is the mistake one. People living in coastal areas were evacuated by time. Okay, the means people living in coastal areas are evacuated by time. People living in coastal area subject. People living in coastal area subject. And the real subject people means are evacuated. People are evacuated by somebody. Passive. Okay, by time, not by time. Before the flood, before the second coming, we evacuated the people means we evacuated people in time. In time. It would be not by time, it would be in time, dear students. 29. The gentleman had a suitcase full with wigs, ornaments and dresses. Full with wigs, ornaments, dresses. We've never heard such types of phrases. Full with, or we have ever heard full of. We have ever heard the word full of. The pond is full of water, not full with water. Okay, from that point of view, option 1 is the mistake one. Question 30. Just alternative it has been. During the 17th century, there were great developments at the sphere of knowledge. During the 17th century, that is correct. There were great development, subject development, it is also correct. At the sphere of knowledge, no, this cannot be. During the 17th century, there were great developments in the sphere of knowledge. This one is correct one, not at the sphere of knowledge. Option 4 is the mistake one. Okay. You should tell the children to complete the projects himself. Oh, you should tell the children. You are telling the children to complete their projects himself. How can it be, my dear question maker? It cannot be. It will be, we are using the reflexive pronoun for the children and the word children is plural, so we cannot use himself, we have to use themselves. Okay? In this way, very quickly, just we cover 30 questions. I think you must be getting the information behind the sentence and what is the mistake and how we can rectify them all. Bye bye. Tata.